浩然啊，我哋上一次咧就講過呢個 O'Reilly 嘅子嗣咧友誼至上啊，喺上一個馬季咧就贏咗董事杯㗎。咁講起呢個友誼至上啦，我知道佢練馬師咧蘇保羅唔單止係紐西蘭人，而且成個家族咧喺當地咧都享負盛名㗎喎。
冇錯啊 ，Icy。蘇保羅雖然嚟咗香港做練馬師都一段好長嘅日子啊，但係佢嘅家族咧喺紐西蘭當地咧仍有舉足輕重嘅影響力㗎，而且仲對香港賽馬好大貢獻添啊！就好似佢細佬蘇利雲咁啊，而家正係幫緊香港賽馬會咧訓練緊見習騎師㗎。
蘇利雲我都識，因為我知道佢曾經嚟過香港咧，就係出任呢個方嘉柏嘅爸爸方六倫馬房嘅主帥啊。咁而且咧我都知道佢同你係相識多年嘅好友。咁你去到紐西蘭有冇揾佢聚下舊咁咧？
有定啦！紐西蘭大型育馬場係點樣運作咧？啱啱都帶大家睇過啦。咁至於紐西蘭嘅馬房又點樣運作咧？啊，今日咧我都有機會帶大家入去睇下喎。喺我身後邊呢個 Wexford Stable 啊，咁啊睇名咧就好似不見經傳咁嘅。但係實際上咧呢個馬房嘅管理人咧咁就大家都相當熟悉㗎啦。咁就係蘇保羅啦同埋蘇利雲兩兄弟管理㗎。咁而呢一個地方咧其實就係蘇氏家族喺紐西蘭嘅大本營嚟㗎。咁佢哋嘅運作情況係點？即刻帶大家去睇下。
蘇氏家族馬房而家養有大約60匹嘅出賽馬，咁其中部分馬匹仲要係香港馬主擁有嘅。咁身為家族要員蘇利雲雖然貴為紐西蘭12屆嘅冠軍騎師啊，咁但係近年除咗已經掛靴之外，最近連練馬師都冇做咯。不過佢其實就冇退出馬壇嘅，因為佢而家仲係蘇氏家族嘅 CEO 啊嘛。咁好多重大嘅決策都要由佢同兄長蘇保羅一齊定奪㗎。
相信大家都認識練馬師蘇保羅啦。蘇保羅喺香港嘅成績就相當好啦。咁今日嚟到紐西蘭咧，咪非常之高興啊！咁啊有幸咧嚟到佢嘅大本營啊，亦都咧見到咧就大家都熟悉嘅佢嘅細佬蘇利雲啊。咁蘇利雲咧就喺香港嘅時候咧都騎過馬啦，咁啊都係方六倫馬房嘅主帥。咁今日咧佢會接受我嘅訪問嘅。Nice to meet you, Lance.
This is Simon. I understood Sobolo as Suleiwan.
Yes. 咁蘇利雲都仲清楚啦佢自己嘅中文名字㗎，咁大家都聽到可以清楚講到佢自己叫蘇利雲㗎。So Lance，
唔做騎師同練馬師，生活應該好悠遊啦。被問到退休之後嘅生活，蘇利雲就話。
From being a trainer, well, I actually really became the CEO, if you like, of Wexford Stable. So, although I took my name out of the training side of it, I'm still very much involved with the, the making sure everybody gets paid and so on. But it's I still ride work 3 days a week.
Okay.
To keep fit.
So really you look so nice.
I had to borrow a jacket, but I still ride work 3 days a week, and still have my hand in what's going on here every day.
浩然啊，原來呢個蘇利雲退咗休之後都有 keep 住騎下馬嘅喎，難怪佢而家啲身形都仲 keep 住好 fit 喎。咁我知道佢而家仲有幫香港賽馬會訓練一啲見習騎師㗎，咁好似何澤堯啊同埋梁家俊都係佢啲高足嚟嘅喎。
冇錯啊，蘇利雲呢兩位愛徒的而且確佢嘅悉心訓練之下翻到嚟香港大放光芒㗎。不如我哋睇下蘇利雲對佢哋兩位嘅評價係點樣啊？
好啊。
Well, both boys ride very well. Both ride very well. I think. Derek is probably a little bit stronger, where the other kid's probably more of a natural rider. He's got probably, he had probably a little bit more natural ability, but I like Derek too. He's a tough kid, and he's shown in Hong Kong. He's gone back there and he's performed, and he's won some good races. But we watch them every weekend. When the races are screened here on trackside, we watch the boys, and we're very proud of both of them.
So good friends to teachers. You are a great teacher, Lance. I think.
But at the end of the day, if the boy has no ability, we cannot teach them. They must have ability to start.
紐西蘭打比亞軍宗師騎兵喺嚟香港之前就係由蘇利雲訓練㗎啦。對於呢匹馬嚟到香港之後嘅作賽展望，蘇利雲就認為。
Well, he's a new horse for Paul's Yard this year, but he's a really good type of horse. He's very athletic, and we will really follow his fortunes up there with real interest, because he's probably the best horse we think we've sent up to Paul. But of course he's got to get up there, he's got to adapt, he's got to acclimatise. But a very good horse. Hopefully he'll get to run in the Hong Kong Derby. He's probably our most qualified horse that we've sent up. But there's been others. Medic Power, he's another horse that we've sent up, and there's been a number of them. But I think this year we've sent probably about 4 or 5 up to Paul's Yard, and it's probably the most promising lot that we have actually sent to him.
何澤堯啦喺紐西蘭受訓嘅時候啦，係贏咗44場頭馬先至翻香港策騎嘅喎。咁我知道咧係打破咗歷嚟香港嘅見習騎師喺海外咧勝出頭馬最多嘅紀錄啊！但係咧最近有另外一位新星咧，佢係超越咗何澤堯嘅成績喎，係咪啊？
講得啱，由今日起，大家一齊記住呢個新秀嘅名啊！佢就係
吳家俊。
咁都俾你搶答成功。
係。吳家俊而家跟隨嘅導師啦係練馬師 Lance Noble 盧寶。咁盧寶嘅馬房所在地，正正咧就喺蘇利雲馬房嘅隔離啊！
講到見習騎師嘅海外訓練咧，咁今日好高興啦，有機會嚟到咧就可以做一個實地訪問，就同我哋香港賽事嘅見習學員啊！咁啊，企喺我身邊呢兩位咧，就係中間呢位咧，就係我哋新一屆嘅香港見習嘅賽事見習學員啦，吳家俊啊 Alvin 啦，而企喺佢隔離嗰位咧就係練馬師盧寶，就係佢嘅師傅啦。咁啊，兩位可以同香港嘅觀眾講聲 hello。Hello everybody。好啦，咁啊呢個時候咧，我哋都等阿吳家俊介紹下啦。咁究竟佢嚟到紐西蘭作為呢個海外實習嘅時候咧，佢日常嘅工作究竟係啲咩？Alvin，而家你做緊嘅工作係咩嚟嘅？
其實而家就執緊竇咯，係咯，即係通常晏晝翻嚟馬房，晏晝就執竇咯，跟住擦下馬咁樣咯，係咯，挑下啲馬甲咁咯。
咁每日要執幾多隻竇咧？好多馬喎，呢度我睇到都。
通常我諗大約10零隻到啦，因為都有，通常都有3、4個人一齊做，咁10零隻馬房30零40隻馬咁都好快做完嘅啫。
辛唔辛苦啊？得你一個係講廣東話做呢度好似。
其實都唔辛苦，其實都習慣咗，都 stay 喺咗，即係留喺呢度都好耐，咁習慣咗講英文都，同埋所有馬房其他人都好 nice 咁，係咯。通常一朝頭早起身，大約4點半到起身啦，跟住一起身就嚟呢度操馬啦，操到我諗大約7點零到，咁自己馬房嘅馬就操晒，之後就會出去幫其他練馬師騎咯，即係幫其他人騎，咁希望可以喺其他練馬師度攞多啲馬跑咁咯，跟住翻到嚟再執少少竇咁咯。
咁但係咧每日咧，譬如話淨係講晨操咁計啊，唔好計出賽啊，每朝其實要操幾多隻馬到嘅喺紐西蘭嘅？
通常大約10至12隻到咯，大約。我試過有一次喺跑馬期間墮馬啦，不過嗰次其實好彩，因為我喺馬群嘅後邊，咁一跌咗之後都冇其他馬即係踩過我咁樣，所以嗰次一跌咗之後都可以即刻起翻身冇事，咁其實真係好彩咯。朝頭早天氣會好凍啦，冬天特別係咯，冬天起身可能得嗰0度啊，甚至負咁樣，即係就要即刻起身操馬，會有啲辛苦咯。
哇！乜原來海外雜騎嘅生活咁刻苦㗎？你睇下吳家俊，朝早除咗要幫手操練馬匹之外，晏晝咧又要返到馬房幫啲馬匹清潔，咁嘅生活真係唔容易捱啊！
嘿，所謂玉不琢不成器啊嘛，人經過艱苦鍛鍊又點會成才呢？況且吳家俊睇嚟都適應得幾好啊！唔知佢嘅導師盧寶對佢又有咩評價呢？
I think Alvin's done extremely well. He's come a long way in a short space of time. He's very hard-working and very dedicated, but also he's got a very good way about him. He gets on well with the other members of staff, and it's just been a pleasure to have around the place. Yes, I think he's a long way from home, but I think his dedication and wanting to be a successful jockey is sort of overriding that homesickness, and we try to help him as much as we can with that. Look, practice is the best way to keep improving. I think he's reading a race nicely. He's become a better judge of pace, but he probably just needs to strengthen up a little bit more in a finish.
浩然啊，今日咧真係好多謝你帶我同大家啦去到紐西蘭實地咁樣睇過咁多賽馬種地啊！咁不如我約定你啊，下一集等我帶翻你同大家去呢個世界唔同嘅地方睇翻一啲大型嘅賽事啊！
好啊，咁我就一於拭目以待，一齊放眼馬世界。